This is a Red Boss tree spade. We're interested in buying Red Boss tree spades. If you have any, give us a call at Highland Hill Farm, 215-651-8329. We grow and sell all kinds of trees and shrubs and need large equipment to help us with our tree operation. We're also interested in things like hay wagons, bobcats, kubotas, attachments for bobcats and kubotas. So give us a call at 215-651-8329. Here's how I reuse soda cups that I get. I use them to grow more trees. These are willow cuttings. And I use all kinds of cups to grow trees and shrubs. So bring your used soda cups to Highland Hill Farm. I really need them. These are our 4 to 5 foot American pillars at Highland Hill Farm. These are Forever Goldies at Highland Hill Farm. We have hard to find trees such as copper beeches. We grow many screening and buffering trees like green giant arborvitaes, American pillars, and emerald green.